Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily sign up for XTB account using your Android device or your mobile devices. First of all, launch open the XTB application on your mobile device, and once you do that, click on the Open Account button on the next page. On the next page, select your country of residence and click Confirm. Now, on the next page, enter your valid email address, and if you've got a referral code, add it right here where it says add code and type it down in the text box. Finally, after entering your email, go ahead and give consent over here from these square boxes and click on next. Now create a password for your account you'd like to use. While creating a password, make sure that you enter a strong password and then click next. Now wait until your account is created. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications if you want it. If you don't, click on Don't Allow. And now click on Activate Account. You'll then need to confirm your email. Click the Confirm button and enter your phone number on the next page. Make sure to type in a valid phone number and click Next. And the two-factor authentication will be activated automatically. And right after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for XTB. Just follow through the on-screen instructions and complete your identity verification and account activation, and you'll be able to log in, deposit funds, and start trading or investing in the platform. So that is how you can easily sign up for XTB. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.